So, this is your first jump today?
Yeah.
Why are we jumping?
Just waiting to do it. It's a thrill.
I heard you've been waiting to do this for a long time.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright, anything you want to say before she goes?
Just
Enjoy. Cool. Alright, man. Both of you have fun. Enjoy your jumps. See you now.
She was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall in the... Ready to go? Where do we go? Nobody knows. I've gotta say I'm on my way down. God give me style and give me grace. God put a smile upon my face. Where do we go to draw the line? I've gotta say I wasted all your time, honey, honey. Where do I go to fall from grace? God put a smile upon your face, yeah. Say you're on your way down when God gave you style and gave you grace and put a smile upon your face. Oh yeah.
Alright. Get out of here. So how was that? Here's a hand up.
Yeah, it was a great feeling. Amazing.
Would you do that again?
Yeah, sure.
High five. Thank you for jumping with us at the parachute center. Hope you come back for a second.
Yeah, sure.
Woo.